Learners today face many distractions. Distractions from work, distractions from home, and even distractions working from home. But Cegos uses a tool that helps learners stay engaged and focused. Learning analytics. We gather data from online interactions to see what's working and what is not. This has three major benefits. Engagement. We use data to motivate learners with gamification, regular updates, and immediate results. Development. At every stage, we see how closely learners interact with our content, so we can continuously make improvements and deliver a first-class learning experience. Assessment. Finally, the trainer can easily monitor learner performance, so they can make interventions to encourage more effective learning. Today, analytics are crucial to personal development. And Cegos knows how to use that data, so your learners tune out from those distractions, and tune into learning. Choose Cegos to get the best out of your digital learning programs.